शख्स तू जान है हमारी.
Beloved Huzoor, my question is that when you offer Tahajjud prayers, what prayers do you make and in which order?
You see, the Prophet Messiah ﷺ has said that I pray for myself, that Allah Ta'ala gives me the sound health so that I can try to get closer to Allah Ta'ala more than before. And then I pray for my community members, my friends, my children. So, in this way, you have to pray for yourself, for the mission of the Prophet Messiah ﷺ and the Holy Prophet ﷺ to spread the message of Islam all across the world, and then for your siblings, for your parents, and later on for other people. So this is the normal order, but sometimes if there's any incident arises, then I pray for that, right?
Jazakallah.
ऐ शख्स तू जान है हमारी.